Part 3.
Part 10.
Up and look.
I guess for this one.
I want to sit there. No.
Evan, where are you at? Any?
Evan, your legs are gonna go down.
Oscar for Best Picture for Green Book starring Marshall Ali. It's also the 55th anniversary year of the studio tour itself. And can you believe it? My uniform still fits. Also, we were founded on March 15th, 1915 as a studio. So we've been in the movie business for more than 100. Wood Game on NBC, hosted by Jane Lynch. And like what we call sitcom Emily over here, right? We're part of our comedy series inside of these stages, starting with stages 41 and 42. The first 2 seasons of that series you can stream on. These are great for live studio audiences. These are the reboot seasons of really great starring Eric McCormack. I mean, to make these look like the streets of any city in the world, Chicago, New York, London, Baltimore, whatever we want, we are right here on the lot. Now, most of the buildings you'll see on our metro sets are what we call facades. Worry about an especially strong gust of wind on the set over on top of it.
มันคือนิวยอร์กปะ
Now, we built countless TV shows.
นี่เห็นปะหนังจะนิวยอร์ก
So what they're filming for the New York Film Academy. If your camera's ready, that's the future of Hollywood right there. But as you might have noticed again, Jim Carrey was sitting on a tree right here.
Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. That's cool, guys. I was just, walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the university.
That production. Also on New York Street, had several giant obstacle courses for many episodes of
Ding Kong.
The universal trend is one you described. And the character and personality of Tom as he appeared in the movie.
Hold on, your glasses, by the way, later tour, but that because the Ferrari engine was too loud on set. Got a specials from the Back to the Future films. Through the courtesy of Fred's 2 feet, we got the Flintstones cars. And then, of course, a few Fast and Furious films.
Whoa, too many. Look.
One of the last vehicles you'll see under this awning is the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. Once again, folks, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom can purchase on pretty much any medium. It's the 5th installment of the Jurassic Park franchise, which all began when Steven Spielberg took audiences to an island off of history.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Now, folks, we're going to take you guys on the set pieces of vehicles from the Jurassic Park films, including that mobile laboratory I showed you on the front lot. And folks, we have some real dinosaurs to show you today as well. It's actually one of my favorites. Ask my management not to play favorites with them, but I totally do. My favorite's name is Alexis, and her cages. Why are the doors to their cages open? How do you keep this microphone? Alexis. Wait, come up here, Alexa. Is that, sorry. by the time you got to stand on the Jurassic Park films,
Look,
we
there's a
decided to film
tour.
on location in Hawaii to get a real tropical island climate. Because here in Los Angeles, we don't get a lot of moisture. It doesn't really rain here very often. There's not a lot of thunder and lightning. But we can't always afford to fly everyone to Hawaii, regardless of how many
Oh, here comes the water. Watch out.
Use very large units. It's tied all together, of course. You gotta record it. The very high-tech system.
ผมเครียดคือแท้โอ้บอลในป้าห้องฝนตกเลย
เดี๋ยวน้ำกระท่วมครับ
I just broke my arm. You have it? You have it? Here, watch
ฝน
TV.
ตกป่างงป่าโลบโลฝนตกโอ้น้องไปที่ไหนบ้างว่าเดินดิ
Blue seats that you can get all the seats.
เครียดค่ะแต่
You might recognize that effect from Lady Gaga's Judas music video. And you know what? I can tell you everything, so I was just saying, yes, that looks like a big burst of water.
ฝนตก
Goes straight to the drinking fountain. Somebody could be marketing. But we're now leaving Old Mexico and heading through the sets of 6 Points, Texas, over to your left. We use these for all of our classic Western films, where some of us iconic Western stars once moseyed down these streets, and where more recently, Quentin Tarantino, Brad Pitt, and Leonardo DiCaprio were filming scenes from Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, which is currently in theaters. Now, we've had quite a few heated discussions between Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio filmed inside of these sets, although it seems to be filming an old-timey Western. And Leonardo DiCaprio's character is pretty upset because he got cast as the heavy, which is typically the antagonist in a Western film that almost always gets killed. That's also not the Universal film. Find out, so on some nice inside the trampoline inside of the stage. You might recognize the set from an episode of Bones. Take a look. Now, this is an outdoors introduction, but over to your left, you can see an example of what we call product placement. That Coca-Cola poster, the American Express sign, represent how brands not involved in the budgeting of this movie get their logos on camera. Now, budgeting, most tour guides don't like to talk about, but I think it is fascinating. Because first things first, you write some cheap software. Microsoft Excel is the same.
Like that?
Whoa! What's going on there? What's going on there?
Just a set, look. Hey.
Just a set. What's going on there? In my mind.
You like that? Cool?
You scared? No, good job. I love you.
But I have to be honest.
What's going on
I
there?
forgot to ask, who here is on vacation? Okay, you're in Los Angeles, it's a beautiful day. Let's go to the beach. But LA beaches get too crowded. I know this amazing place called Amity Island is just really cute to be on the town. David, do you read me? Come in, over. You know, kind of hard to hear when you're driving. You never know when I distract you under the surface. David, over. Dude, I think you missed a stroke. David, David, making your boat over. Maybe dumping your boat. Okay, folks, set yourselves to be calm. Situation. Okay, for the lady. Hey, y'all, podcasting to leave is good for stress sensitivities. But how much my wife wants to detect that? You see that back there with David mode? What is that back there? Oh, no, it's right here.
Oh, here he comes, big shot.
Soi hộp luôn.
Charge is not working.
Bên nón buộc đi các bạn.
Folks, you may also recognize these sets as cabin code for Murder, She Wrote, set in Lansbury. If you've watched Test of Housewives, you know all the neighbors on this almost 2,000 names.
You want to sleep?
And while those residents of Blueville did have to deal with the Grinch next door, here on the back. Is that number base? Are you still next here?
Yep.
Wait, was I supposed to email a Better Business Bureau? Is that you? That was me? Sorry. Is that his duffel bag? Where's he going? Is it? Okay, folks, I recommend just not making eye contact because as long as something like this doesn't see us. Okay. So, we're going to be heading out, right? Okay. Hey, Carl, you guys are kind of vulnerable. I don't know if maybe you want to scoot over to the left. I'm so sorry for sitting on the microphone so loudly, Carport. I noticed you're not scooting over, though. Carport? Carport? This is about the 10-minute mark. We've got approximately 10 minutes left on the tour to survive all that right board. If you need assistance, I'll come back.
Oh, look at it emptying. Look at it emptying.
Is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that's the
And to sit down and talk about the world, that's all I want to say for right in the neighborhood. Because it's just something you don't see.
What type of picture you see?
Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now closed.
Okay, thank you, sir. Goodbye. Folks, we're sending us to Sullivan's. It's a known street racer hangout. I've heard of this place before. I'm told they have parties here at all hours of the day, so if there's no coverage charger, oh, come on, John.
Còn cái